morning, kids. Today we are going to learn magic of vowel E. Magic of vowel E. Magic E words. Kids, magic of E makes the short sound long. This is the magic of vowel E. Vowel E can change the sound of other vowels. जो vowel E है वो दूसरे vowels की sound को change कर देता है. Here kids remember one thing, that vowel E itself remains silent. और खुद vowel E जो है वो silent रहता है. Silent means you do not have to say it. आपने साइलेंट का मीन होता है आपने इन वर्ड्स को बोलना नहीं है. और यू डू नॉट हैव टू साउंड वोवल ई. आपने वोवल ई की साउंड नहीं निकालनी है. किड्स, नाउ यू हैव टू वॉच एवरी वर्ड वेरी केयरफुली. आपने हर मैजिक ई वर्ड को बहुत ही ध्यान से देखना है. इन एवरी मैजिक ई वर्ड there is vowel E in the end of the word. हर एक मैजिक ई वर्ड में जो वोवल ई है वो एंड में है. एंड इट इज साइलेंट. और जब हम इसको रीड करते हैं तो जो ई लेटर है, जो वोवल ई है, वो साइलेंट रहता है. मीन्स हमें उसे साउंड नहीं करना है. in such words there is another vowel too. इस टाइप के वर्ड्स में ई के अलावा एक और वॉवल होता है. एंड दैट कैन बी ए, ई, ओ, एंड when E joins the word, जब E vowel word को join करता है, you just have to name it. You just have to name another vowels like A, E, I, O, U. The name of vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Kids, when vowel E joins the word, the sound of another vowel change. जैसे ही vowel E word को join करता है, another vowel की sound change हो जाती है and it becomes long. और उसकी साउंड कैसे हो जाती है? लॉन्ग हो जाती है. नाउ वी विल रीड द वर्ड्स ऑफ वोवल ए एंड साइलेंट ई. लॉन्ग ए एंड साइलेंट ई. सो फर्स्ट वर्ड इज कैन. किड्स, वोवल ई कम्स and the sound of vowel A change. It becomes long, like A becomes A. So we will read this word as cane. Can becomes cane. Repeat after me. C-A-N. Can becomes cane. K-A-N. Can. C-A-N-E. Cane. Next word is tap. T-A-P. Tap. When letter E comes, the sound of vowel A change and it becomes long. T-A-P. And silent E. Tape. T-A-P. Tape. Kids, tap becomes tape. When letter E, when vowel E comes, the sound of vowel A change and it becomes long. That is a change into a. Tap, tape. Let's see another example of vowel I sound words. Long I and silent E. Let's see the word and read it. K, I, T, kit. K, I, T, kit. K, I, T and silent E. K, I, T, kite. Kids, when vowel E comes, the sound of vowel I change and it becomes long. That is I change into I. I becomes I. Kit becomes kite. Kit becomes kite. Let's see another example. P-I-N. Pin. Read with me. P-I-N. Pin. And kids, when vowel E comes, the sound of vowel I change and it becomes long. That is I change into I. P-I-N. Pine. P-I-N. Pine. Pin becomes pine. I repeat, pin becomes pine. When vowel E join the word pin, then pin becomes pine. Let's see another example of vowel. Now we will read the words of long O and silent E. Now read the word hop. 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 And kids, when vowel E comes, the sound of vowel O change and it becomes long. So let's read the word hope. Hope. Hop. Hope. Hop. Hope. Hop becomes hope. Hop becomes hope. Let's see another example. P-O-P. Pop. P-O-P. Pop. And kids, when vowel E comes, जब vowel E आता है and join the word pop, then the sound of vowel O change and it becomes long. Let's see and read the word P-O-P. Pop. P-O-P. Pop. Kids, pop becomes pop. Pop becomes pop. Let's see example of another vowel. In it, we read the words with long U and silent E. Let's see the word and read it. Tub. Tub. And kids, when vowel E comes and join the word, जब vowel E आकर word tub को join करता है, then the sound of vowel A change and it becomes long. Means A becomes U. So we will read this word like this. T-U-B. tube. T-U-B. Tube. Kids, after joining the word, when vowel E joins the word, then tub becomes tube. I repeat, tub becomes tube. Let's see another example. K-A-B. Cub. K-A-B. Cub. And kids, when vowel E comes and join the word cub, then the sound of vowel A change and it becomes long. A change into U. K-U-B. Cube. K-U-B. Cube. Kids, cup becomes cube. Cup becomes cube. When vowel E join the word cub, then cup becomes cube. Magic E makes a vowel say its name. जब मैजिक ऑफ ई वर्क करता है तो किसी भी वॉवल की साउंड लॉन्ग हो जाती है और हम उसे उसके नेम से बुलाते हैं. मैजिक ई मेक्स अ वॉवल से इट्स नेम और उसका नेम है ए ई आई ओ यू. किड्स, जिन वर्ड्स में एंड में ई है और अगर वहां पर इनमें से कोई भी वोवल आ रहा है तो उसे हम किस नेम से पुकारेंगे? बाय इट्स नेम. एंड द नेम ऑफ डिफरेंट वोवल्स आर ए ई आई ओ एंड यू. एंड द साउंड ऑफ दीज वोवल्स आर ए ई ओ अ. तो हम इन्हें इनकी साउंड से नहीं, इनके नेम से बुलाएंगे. इनके नेम की साउंड आएगी. एंड द साउंड ऑफ नेम आर ए ई आई ओ यू. Now kids, it's your turn to read these words with me and after me. Pin becomes pine. Fin becomes fine. Hat becomes hate. Mat becomes mate. Bit becomes bite. Kit becomes kite. Cap becomes cape. Tap becomes tape. Cord becomes code. Rod becomes road. Cup becomes cube. Tub becomes tube. Can becomes cane. Man becomes main. Rid becomes ride. Hid becomes hide. Knot becomes note. Rob becomes robe. Dim becomes dime. Tim becomes time. Mad becomes made. Fad becomes fade. Pet becomes pit. Met becomes meet. Thank you and have a nice day. मैंने ना ये वर्ड्स तो देखे ही ना, PET